Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how you can migrate your website to Hostinger. It is pretty simple and easy to do, so let's get started. So what you'll need to do is log into your H panel and go to the left side where it says websites. Also click on this drop down menu and you will be able to access migrations. Click on migrations and here you will see migrate website. Click on this plus website. And as you can see, you will need to select your hosting plan. So select a hosting plan if you have. For me, I need to buy another one. And after that, just follow the instructions, what we say to do. It is pretty simple and easy to do. You can do that in 10 minutes probably. And as you can see, how long does it take to migrate a website? So website migration can take up to 24 hours. WordPress website migration takes a couple of hours to complete it if connection is successful. So that's pretty much it. That's how you migrate your website in Hostinger. So thank you guys, and we see you in the next one. Peace.